So here's an example of one of the exercises you could do. Got the boom at 60 degrees and the load is 2 bricks. That's 9.4 pounds. The counterweight is only 1 brick. So here's the numbers again. 60 degree boom. Torque is weight times distance. So we got 2 bricks. The distance is 14 inches. We had that a long time ago. So then we added 7 inch-pounds for the torque of the boom. That's a grand total. Now the torque of the crane from way back a few videos ago is 21.6. Now we added 1 brick, 4.7 pounds. Nope, wrong one. Oh, there we go. So there's the brick, the counterweight, and it's 24 inches from the pivot point. That's what we get. Add them together, we got 134.4, which is almost 138. So we should be close in balancing the crane, but we're not. I'm going to add a plane, very nice plane, 1.5 pounds. That did it. Okay? Let's see. Right. With the plane, it's 170, which is more than 138. But what if it's a windy day and the load starts to swing? Look over here. You can see the bottom of the crane is not really touching the ground anymore. It's about to tip up. And it wouldn't take much to make it tip up, and the whole thing tips over. So we can't really rely on these numbers, basically because they're crude. The weights, the distances are not very exact. 170 over 138, we should be okay, but we're not. That's why there's a factor of safety. Whatever torque we have on this side, we should multiply by 1.5 and have that much torque on the other side to be safe. So we've got 138.6 on the load side, multiplied by 1.5, that's what we get. Now how much torque do we have on the other side? After I take off that plane, we got 134. 207 is what we need, 134 is what we got. That's how much we need. An additional 73.5 inch-pounds of torque. And torque is weight times distance, remember? So that's the torque we need. The distance is 24 inches because it's going to be all the way at the back. The greater the distance, the greater the torque. So all we have to do is solve for the weight, the W. Pretty simple, it's about 3 pounds. So I'm going to take off this small plane and add a brick. Now, even if it's a windy day, take a look over here. It's not lifting up. So the factor of safety is what we need to keep things safe. Okay.